Hey guys, I'm about to put this on eBay. It's a Chairman Mao pocket watch, and as you see, it works. It says 1893 to 1993. It's kind of copper colored, and it says Mao Ze Dong, 100th year birthday anniversary, 1993. Okay. So I'm about to list that on eBay. I guess it's someone from the Republic of China. So if you guys want to check out my eBay stuff, you know, you can go to eBay and search for seller Panty Girl Tampa. So you can see he's waving. Alright, so I hope you guys are having a good Monday. That is going on eBay. Thanks for watching my videos. Check out my other videos. I hope you hit like and subscribe.